Well, all right, folk. Got myself a big old plate of sketty I just made up here. About to chow that down. And not much going on today. Pretty much just chilled out and, as you guys will see, hit the storage unit and all that stuff. But did want to touch base with you real quick and got a hold of another mechanic, the main one out here that I usually go to and use. To do a job like this, they got a specialist that they come in. He doesn't work all the time, but so I got a hold of them. Very affordable, thank God. That worked out really good for me. So basically, as soon as he's going to be in to work and have the time to jump on this, then I'm going to be able to get her in, and she's going to be all set. So basically, just waiting for that. I really don't want to go too far. I don't want to do too much and risk breaking if that breaks and risk breaking anything else and just making everything worse. So basically just settling in, doing what I got to do, being very stationary, and it really sucks. But, hit the store, go here, go there when I have to do something. But other than that, I'm just maintaining and chilling. Also got some pretty cool stuff on here. We've got I've always said we have a really cool police department here, really good cops, and I figured you guys would enjoy this part. Especially the way everybody's treating the cops these days. I figured it'd be cool to see some good stuff going on. But anyways, that's probably going to be about it for now. So I'll catch you guys later. Check this out.
But now we got to race though.
I remember these days.
I don't know.
I'll get out my unicycle.
I mean, I gotta get back to my car first, though.
Oh,
Because if you take off on me, then I'm gonna have to come after you, and that's evasion, police in the pursuit.
So who grabs the flag? Because mommy might cheat on this.
Or I have a better idea. I'll give you a verbal warning if I can get a dab and a smile from that beautiful smile.
I'd say no way. Let's race.
Have a nice
I'd
day.
say race.
Alright?
I'd say race some. Show 'em what
No,
you got.
No, I'm too afraid. So have a good day. Right. Go park, alright? Alright.
Well, all right, folk. So we have about two more days. I'd say after this weekend, it's going to be kind of cold at night. It's going to be okay during the day, but still kind of cold. But not going to need the buddy heater. So we're here in storage. Over here behind me, so if we can see it. Got some stuff right there. Got a few of the big jackets, sleeping bags, so forth. Stuff that just aren't going to be needed right now. So anyways, going to start loading that up in here and get that out of the way so I could deal with what's in the van later on as well. And then at some point come back here, organize this a little bit more. I'm just going to have to get rid of some of the stuff. But anyways, for now, it's not looking too bad in here, but we're going to have to straighten out some more. But anyways, I'll be back with you later, folk. And also another quick pain in the butt about boondocking and living in a van life is I'm glad I looked, but there is moisture under the bed. And it hasn't been doing this for the longest time. I got one of those, the things that you wrap your mattresses in, and it was working very, very good. I had no problems, but now all of a sudden it happened again. So I think what I have to do is put both mattresses in the wrap, which sucks because it's like when I'm sleeping, it's like I can feel the plastic. You don't breathe as well. I mean, I don't know, but anyways, another pain in the butt about van life is the moisture in the mattress. So I'm going to have to check that out. So later, folk. So, all right, folk. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's going to be about it for today. And like I said, once she's fixed up and everything's ready to rock and roll, I'll be doing a whole lot more stuff. So, till then, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.